Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. It's time for another property tour with your host, Alex Maloney. And today, we are at WINDSONG Ranch in Prosper, Texas, which is the most southern part of Prosper. And we are about to head in. Welcome in. And be sure to please hit that thumbs up and smash that subscribe button to join the YouTube family at America's Realtor. And of course, if you're looking to move to the DFW Metroplex, please visit my website, www.alexpmaloney.com, or visit my Instagram and fill out an inquiry form, and I will get back to you on what you're looking for. And please also let me know in the comments below if you would live in a place like this. So in the front over there, we had the office and the downstairs media room. Everybody loves that. Here's a half bath with the utility room, built-in cabinets, built-in sink, and we have the downstairs guest suite, in-law suite, and a full bath with, I'm guessing, a stand-up shower. There we go. Open it for y'all so you can kind of see what we're working with here. And of course, guessing this is a towel. Oh, it's a walk-in closet. Okay. So right here, connected in the bathroom. So a nice ensuite down here, as you can see. Single vanity, hardwood flooring, and this is the former model home, y'all. It is now for sale, and I will spit out the specs here right now. So it is a 4-bed, 4-bath, 4-car garage, and it's 3,457 square feet, and it is a Highland home. So all of this stuff you see here, normally if you were building from scratch, would not be here, but since it's the former model home, it comes as is. So this is a fully upgraded WINDSONG Ranch Highland home model. And usually here is the walk-in pantry. Usually it's about, for all the upgrades like you're seeing right here, it's going to be easy $200,000 to $250,000 extra on top of the base price. So it's kind of a nice little treat. You don't have to do anything. It comes fully upgraded. You don't have to do anything after move-in, upgrade-wise or anything like that. So it is well worth purchasing this, without a doubt. Nice little spiral, semi-spiral staircase type of deal. And we have a gas fireplace. And that was a gas stove back there as well, y'all. Brick backsplash, floor to ceiling. And we have some sliding doors. Soaring ceiling, cedar beams on the top. Love when they add that extra spunk to the house. Right here, cedar beams again, y'all. Modern lighting fixture. Nice spacious master bedroom. And here is the master bath with that separate walk-in shower. And we have the garden tub. Nice tile backsplash. And separate vanities. This one to the right is definitely for the lady, if you have a special someone in your life. As you can see, there's the makeup desk right there. And here is the walk-in closet, extra large. Tons of cabinet space, has that drawer. I'm going to get all the way back in here so we can kind of see. what we're working with. Perfect. And we have some upgraded tile on the floor. And we have the toilet. A very nice vibe to this place for sure. They made a great use of the space. Love the large master bedroom. Always great when they can add that sitting area in the bedroom. And let's head outside real quick. Usually we do this towards the end, but we can do it right now. So we have a nice covered patio. We have a fire pit and a large backyard. And it is raining. You can't really even tell it's raining. That's weird. But it is indeed raining a little bit. But I'm going to take the shoes off and head out here for y'all because I'm that dedicated. You're welcome. And we can kind of see the back right here. You could definitely fit a pool over there to the right, without a doubt. If you guys are in need of a pool company after closing, please contact me. I have a lot of trusted vendors in that space. And the lot size, it's a 76-foot lot. So normally they're a lot smaller, but obviously this is on the biggest one they offer here at WINDSONG Ranch. And let's head upstairs. I love those double glass doors, the front entrance. Really adds to the character of the house. So modern too. A lot of people are liking that. And right here is another game room. Here's a little bird's eye view for y'all. Game room. You can make it another media room if you want. Study room, playroom. Possibilities are endless, y'all. And we have a little wet bar right here with a fridge. And let's come over here. So I guess here is the study room. So you wouldn't really need the study area over there in the game room. And we have a nice sized bedroom for little Jimmy. And we have a shower tub combo. And a single vanity. And of course, that walk-in closet. Pretty big walk-in closet for the bedroom upstairs. Pretty impressed with that. And let's head on over here to the next bedrooms. So that was bedroom number 3. Right here is bedroom number 4 with the full bath. Another shower tub combo. And we have the 4th bedroom. So as you can see, all these bedrooms are pretty spacious. This is probably the smaller closet out of the 4, I would say. And also, this is listed at $1,304,188. So get it quick, y'all, while you can. And that is it, y'all. That is the end of our property tour. I want to thank y'all for tuning in Prosper, Texas, and I'll see y'all on the next one.